Hi guys, Paul from Muscle Car UK, and yes, we've decided to sell our demo because our new one is coming, so hence this one's going up for sale now. So I've got my little list here, as you can see, just to tell you what it's got, because otherwise I'll forget halfway through. So this car's got a Roush Stage 2 Supercharger with a bespoke tuning mat by VMP Performance, which gives it a genuine sort of 800 brake horsepower. So it's a very, very fast car, this, so don't think it isn't. It really is super powerful. It's got the Kooks long tube headers. It's got the Borla S-type stainless steel exhaust system. Ford Performance front and rear road springs and sway bars. Again, it's got Ford Racing half shafts, Ford Racing diff upgrade, BMR adjustable rear subframe support system. The gearbox has also had an upgrade kit, remapped. So it's got a hell of a lot of extras on this car. I mean, the extras came to thousands. And of course, on top of that, it's obviously an S550 with all the bits and pieces. So I'll show you underneath the bonnet here, and you can see the supercharger. So here we go. There's all the supercharger and all the kit on top, as you'd imagine. I don't know, many of you have seen this, but you know, Roush Supercharger system's a very good system, and it does sound gorgeous with the exhausts that give you such a fabulous note. I'll start it up in a second, and you can hear how fantastic it is. But fabulous car. A lot of people have enjoyed this car and been out and test driven it, and they've had lots of superchargers fitted because they've been out in this particular car, because it really is set up correctly. And again, it's automatic, so it's power going through an auto gearbox, so you can start her up and have a bit of fun. Isn't that what a Mustang's all about? It's noisy and loud. But absolutely fantastic car. It's got all the normal upgrades, air-conditioned seats, etc. There you go. So if you want something that's very loud and very proud, this is the car, and it's very, very quick. So make sure you're in tune for this sort of level of racing. It really is a fast car, but set up well. You know, with the Ford parts on it as well, it really does sit and perform beautifully. So a great car to cruise in, just great fun. Okay, hopefully see you soon.
Although benefiting from the usual S550 extras, such as a shaker stereo, heated and cooled seats, Ford Sync 3 communication system, this car also benefits from the addition of a Roush Supercharger system. The system has been installed at Roush Stage 2 with a VMP specialised map in the system as well, and it accounts to something bordering on 800 brake horsepower. The suspension is modified to Coupe. It has traction bars, it has Ford Racing suspension. All in all, a really, really serious package, a serious motor car. You really need to try this.